All right, Black Friday is finally here. We've been celebrating this ever since Sunday, earlier on in the week, and just doing these daily flash sales. So today's unit is going to be a 1424 extended frame, and the promo code is going to be 4774. On this 1424, we went ahead and did the extended frame, so you'll get 3 strands on the live deck. And whenever you go longer off the front, we always have the option of going longer off the back. So on this unit, we went ahead and did the upgraded 12-foot conveyor versus the standard 10-foot conveyor, just trying to get you a little bit more output height, just on the discharge end of it all. We also spec this one up with the auto cycle and the fast split, and we're going to go ahead and add a 6-way wedge to the factory standard 4-way wedge, and throw in a couple of saw chains as well. So the retail number should be $47,325. We're going to go ahead and give you that 10% off, which is $4,732, to give it an adjusted sale price of $42,593. Now with this one, we're going to go ahead on the flash sale for promo code 4774 on Black Friday. We're going to give you an additional $1,268. That's going to give you $6,000 worth of savings on this 1424 unit. So your crazy price is going to be $41,325. Do not delay on this one. This is a spectacular deal on a 1424, all dressed up with these big production features: extended frame, longer conveyor, fast split, auto split, or fast split auto cycle. I must have had too much food. I'm so sorry. But again, the crazy price is going to be $41,325. That's $6,000 in savings. 833-775-4887. Email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Do not delay on this one. It ain't gonna last. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.